Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix runtime errors on your Windows. So I'm just going to share to you a very simple fix for this. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Do not forget that. In here, you need to type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair and fix any system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close it. So what we can do for now is we need to wait for this to be completed so that we can run the next command next to it, okay?
O karon dahil ito contest kay. Maayo ginundog kan dati. Wapa si Piding ang video hybrid no. Nicole na mo kay. Pagkuha din puputi na ano mga sakayan, kinubalik mo ng tato. Wa ang pulilinaw.
Once done, type the next command. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this process will repair your Windows image, and while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it but do not close the window. And here's an additional tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, then you just need to simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard and let the process continue. And once done, just simply close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.